Check that out, that's pretty cool. That's pretty. Look at our spot down there. Jimmy's chilling right now, taking a break from getting firewood. Look how beautiful. It's a little mountain view there. A little bit of red and yellow. It rolled down, just fell over on its own. Look. You can't get over how beautiful it is in here today. Whoever put these logs here, so smart. It's that time again. Time for another weekend warrior trip. Got the bikes loaded down for their intended purpose. This is what adventure bikes are supposed to look like. So the objective of this weekend is to play around in the North Georgia mountains, test out the new luggage system. Jimmy's got a new vest he's breaking in. Because we testing everything out, because hopefully we're going to get a trip into Florida here in November, hopefully, like a 5, 6, 7 day trip. So just breaking in the equipment. Like I said, doing what adventure bikes are meant to do. They're not dirt bikes, they're not sport bikes. They're meant to be loaded down, doing some moto camping. So let's get on these bikes, let's get after it, see what we get into. All I'll say is we're in the mountains of North Georgia, do some riding, try to find a few different places to camp. Different place to camp tonight and a different place to camp tomorrow night. So you'll have to watch both episodes this weekend warrior trip. I don't know what episodes it is, but they'll definitely be there, like 14 or 15, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, just gonna use the adventure bikes like they intended this weekend. Test out some new stuff and let's have a good time. A little bit of leaf peeping going on this weekend too. There's a little bit of color up here in ton, but it looks like a lot of the trees have dropped their leaves already. I'll run into some traffic tomorrow. All the people that get out once a year and go riding in the mountains will be up here. I'd like to take a minute to thank Rick Stewart, the SC Motor Lawyer, for sponsoring today's video. We're out here having the time of our lives, doing some moto camping with a roaring fire. But sometimes motorcycle riding can go horribly wrong. So if you're ever involved in a motorcycle accident that's not your fault, then Rick Stewart will be the man you need to call. So call Rick Stewart, the SC Motor Lawyer, at 1-855-GET-MOTO. If you don't have any phone service, or you're just too scared to pick up the phone, you can also reach him at scmotorlawyer.com. Now back to the video. Damn, it's fired hot. We just saw two other bikes coming the opposite direction. Two old men. They wasn't ripping. They was on some Tiger in like a Honda 650, XR 650. Other people out here adventuring this weekend. Oh yeah, coming out into a clearing right here. It's a little mountain view there. A little bit of red and yellow leaves out there. Still a lot of green though. That's pretty cool. We're trying to get all these new bags set up and all this other stuff's little dry run on, so we can, because we're planning on trying to go to Florida in November and finish up the Florida Adventure Trail and do the whole panhandle. Timmy's not been on any of it and I didn't get to finish that part, and it's been 2 years in the making, so we're trying to make that happen. We'll see if it works out with work and all that, but we'll try our best to make it happen. And that's going to be probably about a 6-7 day trip, something like that. There's something about you come up here and ride roads that you've ridden a few times in the summer, and then you come up here during this time of year, you can see through the trees more and the different color leaves, and the roads just look totally different, feel totally different. Gives you a whole nother riding experience, going from spring, summer to fall, and then winter. And riding season never ends around here. We do it all year unless it's really, really cold. January, February, we might end it a little bit, but we'll usually try to get at least one ride in. Other than that, we don't ever put our bikes up completely. Ooh. Whole different animal up here now that the fall is coming in, boys. Pulled over on the side of the road to take a piss, and my bike was sitting about where Timmy's was. He wasn't here yet. It rolled down, just fell over on its own. Look, broke the long rider bags in proper. That's the side of the bike it never falls on either. Helmet went flipping down this hill. Had to go down there and get it. hey, it's all part of the adventure though. Take a little break, get back after it. Check that out, that's pretty cool. That's pretty. I ain't never been on this road before. I think last time I was up in this area, I was gonna go this way, it never did. Alright, Timmy's taking a little break up there, rearranging some stuff. We'll ride down here and see what this little campground looks like. Might have an early day. We just want to test out stuff. We're just doing whatever this weekend anyway. We can't get over how beautiful it is in here today. And the weather's pretty nice. Love some fall time riding. If you don't ride much, just going camping, getting out on the bike. It's freaking awesome. Need a break from life sometimes. This is the campground I come to check out. It's Sarah's Creek, I believe. But I think there's some dispersed camping around here too. We're probably gonna try to find that instead of this, but I'll take a little spin, check this out anyway. It's like $10 a night to sleep down here, I think. It's just got sites like that right on the water and stuff, but there's got to be some dispersed camping around here somewhere. If I'm paying $10 just to sleep, when I can sleep in the woods where I want to be anyway. Well, this is in the woods, but talking about dispersed away from anybody at all. And it's free, which is always good. Well, that road goes. Campsite right there. Check it out. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. You got creek access. And we camp right here. Go back and get Timmy. We come down here and camp. Timmy's on the side of the trail naked. Back down the hill we go. Look how beautiful this campsite is. It's got hills right there, the creek's right there. Check it out of there. Open woods for days. Good flat area. Fire pit's awesome. It's gonna be our humble abode for tonight. Get everything set up right quick. Just chilling now. Fixing to eat a Pop-Tart though, I'm starving. One thing I didn't do is bring the Mountain Dew, which I need right now. And I don't got any sunflower seeds, and I didn't bring enough food, so I fixed this Pop-Tart.
Today, I'm gonna give my sunflower seeds.
I'm gonna eat this Pop-Tart. I want to show y'all something right quick. I got some lettuce right there that I had on top of here. Look, I got cheese, Pop-Tarts, multi-use bags. We're gonna eat tacos, so I brung lettuce and cheese. It's all right, but one thing I want to tell y'all too, is there one thing, even if it ain't that far away from your house, especially this time of year, you come out and do some motorcycle camping, it just feels different than camping in the car. Even though the gnats are kind of bad right now, but it's been kind of peaceful. I got kind of sleepy, so I had to get up and do a little walking and show you all the creek. I'm about to take me a little nap. That's some old man shit there, boy. Let's see what the creek looks like there. If I'm breathing heavy, y'all have to excuse that, because I done walked up down this hill getting firewood 3 or 4 times. It's steep, don't let it pull you. Look at our spot down there. Timmy's chilling right now, taking a break from getting firewood. Look how beautiful this is up here. This is where the wildfire come through too, I think. So some of this got opened up. Look how cool it is. It's getting almost dusk already. It's only like 4:30 in the afternoon. Oh, and it's gonna get dark in here quick. After we collect a little more firewood, breathe a little heavy because I'm way out of shape. We'll have to get to cooking because run out of daylight to do anything, and won't be able to film once it gets dark, so catch my breath and we'll get back after it. Here's what we're gonna be doing for dinner tonight. Got some cheesy hard shell taco shells. Timmy pre-cooked the meat for us last night at his house. I'm gonna warm that up in my handy dandy fire maple stove here. And we're gonna take these taco shells, roll them up in aluminum foil, put them close to the fire so they get halfway toasted. So we ain't eating stale tasting taco shells. And you've seen the lettuce, if you watch the whole video that is, and not fast forward through it like people are good at. Seen the lettuce and cheese, so don't got no kind of sauce unless Timmy brought any, but I don't really need that. So it don't matter. I eat that at home, but
I'll tell you that story later.
I'll be good. I'll be good with the situation at hand here. The dog food goes into this cup. Well, it looks like it. Dog food. Ugh. Yeah. Whoever put these logs here, so smart, I can tell you. Oh yeah, I guess. Oh man, they got a little charred. All right, pretty good. Taco shell in 101. Look at that. Taco in the woods on a moto camping trip. Meat, cheese, lettuce, and a cheesy hard shell taco shell.
Yeah.
And it's delicious, hot, and drop it right in my damn pants. Damn it.
How you doing?
These tacos are delicious, but man, they messy. They got them on the fresh purple boots all over my pants. Oh well, riding gear. It's got multiple uses. Thanks, Alpine Stars, for making lumberjack gear. Well, the tacos was delicious, and sun's starting to set, and we're going to chill out and do pretty much nothing. Today was more camping than there was riding, but that's okay because we get to see some beautiful stuff, chill. Sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles. Is that right, Timmy? The cookie crumbles?
Huh?
I said, is that the way the cookie crumbles? Yeah. But we're gonna just chill and relax and enjoy the sounds of the water and the fire and pretty much chill out. Tomorrow's a new day. See what we get into. So stay tuned for the next episode of this trip. As always, appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. See y'all in the next one.